Beginner to Pro. Before we start getting into the code and write something ourselves, we need to have the right setup. So first of all, we need to download Java. You can do so by entering java.com or simply just search for Java download on Google. So if you have seen part 1, you know that Java is compiled and run using the Java virtual machine. So we need that on our computer. So by installing this and downloading Java, we are getting the Java runtime environment, the Java virtual machine, and the core classes and libraries in order for us to start programming Java. So you need to have this installed, and then you need an IDE. In this course I will be using IntelliJ by JetBrains. You can get a 30-day trial if you haven't installed this before. So you can either choose to use this and complete the course within the 30 days, or you can choose this and then shift over to an open source IDE afterwards. An open source that I also recommend is the Eclipse. You can, if you don't intend to either buy IntelliJ or you know that you have to switch, then it maybe be for the best that you start using the Eclipse IDE at the beginning, because then you will have the same IDE throughout your development career, and then you will get used to the shortcuts and so on. So download the Java on your computer and choose one of the IDEs, and then I will see you in the next lecture.